Hi guys, and welcome to Miss Sharp's edition of How the Internet Works. To start off with, should go to the next slide. There we go. What is the web? The internet started as a system called Internet, which was the name given to computer hardware and software needed to connect the computers. So it's changed its name a bit. Now, basics of how the internet works. You have a server. Now, I want you to imagine a server like a library. So loads of different digital data all organised in a massive room. Now, a client computer connects to the server to access the digital data. So I'd like you to imagine a librarian between the client and the server. So that's basically you're the client and you're going up to a librarian asking where is this, and they are accessing it in the server store, the library. Now you can access them, the client can basically ask a web browser to display the information. So let's go a little bit more with that analogy. You are the client computer, you are going to the librarian, aka the web browser, who's going into the server to find the book or aka digital data that you want and bring it back to you. Now, certain examples of web browsers are Firefox, Firefox, and got Chrome, all different web browsers. Now, some of you are going to get confused between web browsers and search engines. Now, a search engine is such things as Google and Hotbot, which is what I used to use when I was younger. It's still around, but it's not as good. And Ask Jeeves. While a web browser is the actual, it is like Virgin, Internet Explorer, that kind of things. Okay, now servers and clients create networks, so you're connected to them, they're connected to others. It's a massive network that connects to each other. Now, you may be wondering, how does those requests actually take place? Now, there's a network of powerful computers that manage all the internet requests that take place between servers and clients. These are mainly non-profitable and run by universities and governments. It's the backbone of the internet right there. Now, there's different types of service. You've got a web server, which allows you to go on the web and have a look at the pages. You've got email server, which is basically giving you access to your email, so Outlook, etc. Music streaming server, so a server that actually allows you to play music through there. A weather sensor, which is able to send the information from the weather report straight to the computer, to the network. Again, it's all about networking here. And VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. You will know it as Skype. That's an example. Use generic names though. It's Voice over Internet Protocol software. Now, the World Wide Web is a collection of web pages available for everyone to see. That should have an S, I do apologise. They're all linked together via hyperlinks. So hyperlinks basically connect two web pages. When you click on a link to another page, that is known as a hyperlink. Now, web pages are written in HTML, which is Hypertext Markup Language. They are officially called URL, Uniform Resource Locator, as well.